When it comes time to creating your content using a conversation studio, Riverside.fm has so many great tools in it, from recording very high video podcasts or screen shares, or even editing videos that you might even upload. And today I want to share with you one of the features which I'm absolutely loving, which you're seeing quite a bit on Instagram, on TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, is captions. And they make it so easy to do, whether again you are shooting a video podcast or uploading a video. So I wanted to show you that. Now I will be sure to put my referral link in the description as well as in the comment section, which will also have a discount code that could save you 15% off. And I look forward to sharing with you other videos, but today specifically we're going to focus on captions and how to do that. So once you go ahead into your account, you'll have on the left-hand side your studio, so you can create multiple folders. So first one actually I'll go to down here is Chat with Paris. So back in 2022, which kind of funny, it's quite a while ago when I was using Riverside.fm, but they've really advanced things since then with the captions. So if I click on this here, I could play it, but I want to edit this and add the captions in there. So I'm going to go ahead and edit it. I'm going to click on Create New Edit. And now I'm going to go ahead to the video. Now here's what's really cool. First of all, you could see it does have all your words for your caption. And on top here, which is, first of all, you want to decide what kind of video would this be. Is this going to be a standard 16:9 for YouTube? You can hover here, you take the arrow, and you can see YouTube, Spotify. If you wanted to do shorts and TikTok and those type of videos, you can do a 9:16. You can also do a 1:1. And again, you pick what you want. So let's just say in this case, it's going to be a YouTube video, and we're going to press play here for a minute. There we go. Now there's Paris on the left, me on the right. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to come here to captions. And what I love about the captions is they have a lot of options to choose from. So you could pick one that you want. So let's just say here, you found this one. It's going to put it in there and it's going to match with your words. And if you don't like that one that I just picked, you can come back to captions and you could pick another one. So you could pick this one, so which is great. So we'll pick this one, or the first one that I have. Now you have a number of different options. You could see as you hover over it what it would look like if you did a background, if you did a background invert. So they make it nice and easy. So let's just say we do the 3D shadow. You can come here to the font. You could see what the font looks like if you want to change that. We'll do this font. Then you could do large, extra large, medium, small. So you can really customize this how you want. We'll stick with the large. Now you can choose 1 line, 2 line, you could do 3 lines if you want as well. You can also click here for these other options as well. And then you've got the color, where you could choose the color of the word if you want as well. And then also you can next pick case or lowercase. And then the alignment, you could do right, left, or center. And then you could completely remove it. And then once you have that, you could move it around where you want. And again, you could see
Paris,
it works
months,
perfectly like this.
About getting together and talking about your financial background.
Now, if I wanted, by the way, I want to make this a little bigger, I could do that as well. There we go. And now, let's just say background was a mistake. You can click on background on the left here and you could correct it. So they make it very easy to do. And it's as simple as that. Then once you're done, you click export. You're going to choose how you want it, 720, 1080, or 21K, 4K. You could remove the watermark. You can normalize audio levels and remove the background noise. And then for the audio, you can come in here and also adjust that, and you click export, and it's going to go ahead and export into a folder, and it will let you know when it's done, and then you could just download it. Now if you have a video that you want to upload that you did not shoot in Riverside.fm, as we're going to go back here, So this is a video that I did shoot with this new shoe, and I did shoot this video with my camera, and you could do the same thing here. So this is a kind of perfect video. It's a short video. Now you can see it's set for 16:9, which is not correct, 9:16. Here we go. And then I could come here to captions, and I could do the same thing, and I could adjust accordingly, and I could change everything, and then I can come here to export, do the same thing. So let's just say I'm going to export the video. Actually, let me just to show you here as well.
About 10 minutes ago, I received the
So you can see it really works perfectly well.
What I'm excited about this shoe is,
and you'd be good to go. Then again, you click export. You're going to come here, export video, and now you can come here to exports. And then it's going to show you, see I did some others here, these drafts. It's exporting now, and when it's done, I could see. So here was one I had done earlier, and this was the final result when I did that before.
About 10 minutes ago, I received the all-new Kuru Draft Rento shoe. What I'm excited about this shoe is that this is going to be an alternative to the...
So it's perfect. So now I could share the link to this video. I could download it, publish on Spotify. It has a transistor, which I haven't messed around with, and Castos, but these are other features which I will learn more about and share in the future, but those are done. Now you could see your edit is ready, and you could preview and share. Again, it does notify you right there, and you're good to go. So there you go. If you're interested again in taking a look at Riverside.fm for many of the great features, but really high quality video conversations that you're having, your video vlogs, then you could do that. Again, add the captions real easily, as well as videos that you might have want to add the captions to. All right, have a great day. A lot more to come with Riverside.fm, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.